Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we're back with another installment of the Foliage Files.
Okay, it's getting weird.
This is our 100th video on the channel, and I wanted to do something that was very special to me personally. A few months ago, I lost my sweet kitty, Luna. She was more than just a pet. She was my baby, my little shadow, and in so many ways, the quiet co-host of this channel. She passed away from lymphoma, and well, it's been hard, but I wanted to honor her in a way that felt true to what this community is about. Some of you may remember that the very first video Luna ever appeared in was 5 houseplants harmful to cats. So, as we hit this 100 video milestone, it only felt right to come full circle and focus on plants that are actually safe for your pets. No toxic chemicals, no dangerous surprises, just beautiful greenery you and your furry companions can enjoy together. This is a celebration of Luna's memory and of reaching this milestone with all of you. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most classic, beginner-friendly plants out there, the spider plant. It's easy to grow, thrives in indirect light, and it's pretty forgiving if you miss a watering or two.
And don't you dare judge me. I am your mother.
What makes it perfect for pet owners is that it's completely non-toxic. Even if your cat decides to take a little nibble or your dog gets a little curious, there's no harm done. I still remember Luna batting at the baby spiderets that dangled from mine like little green mobiles. She thought they were toys just for her. It's those kinds of memories, small, everyday moments that make a house feel like a home. If you're just starting out or you're looking for something safe and nostalgic, this one's a great pick. Next up is a plant that turns heads, the Chamaedorea orbifolia. Its large, round leaves have these stunning silver green stripes that almost look painted on. Chamaedoreas are known for being a bit picky, preferring humid conditions and indirect light, but they're completely safe for pets. Despite their dramatic appearance, they're actually gentle housemates. This one is a great choice if you want something a little more decorative without compromising safety. Fun fact, Chamaedoreas are part of the prayer plant family. Their leaves move throughout the day in response to light, a phenomenon called nyctinasty. It's like having a plant with its own little circadian rhythm. For something interactive and a little magical, try a prayer plant. These beautiful, low-growing plants have vibrant veins running through their leaves, and what makes them truly special is that they move. Their leaves fold upward in the evening, as if in prayer. They're non-toxic to pets and do well with moderate light and humidity. They're small enough to fit on desks, bookshelves, or anywhere you want to add a pop of color. Did you know, in Brazil, prayer plants are often called 10 o'clock plants because of their daily movement cycles. Watching them shift can be a common ritual in itself. Peperomia watermelon earns its name from its unique, striped leaves that resemble the rind of a watermelon. It's quirky, compact, and very low maintenance, all while being perfectly safe for pets. This plant thrives in moderate light and only needs watering when the top inch of soil feels dry. It's a great starter plant and adds a fun, graphic touch to your indoor collection. Cool fact, Peperomias belong to the pepper family,
Piperaceae,
and there are over 1,000 varieties. Some even grow epiphytically, meaning they live on trees in the wild. Another striking member of the Chamaedorea family is the rattlesnake plant. Despite its name, it's not dangerous at all. In fact, it's one of the most pet-friendly plants you can bring home. Its long, wavy leaves have dark green markings and a rich purple underside, giving it an exotic look. Like its relatives, it enjoys humidity and diffuse light and doesn't appreciate being overwatered. It's a beautiful way to liven up low light spaces without worry. Interesting tidbit: those wavy leaves aren't just for show. The shape helps the plant collect light more efficiently in its native rainforest environment, where sunlight is often filtered through thick canopies. Not to be confused with the toxic Ficus elastica,
Such as?
the baby rubber plant, or Peperomia obtusifolia, is completely safe for cats and dogs. It has thick, glossy leaves and a sturdy structure that give it a classic houseplant vibe without the hassle. This one adapts well to different lighting conditions, and as long as you don't let it sit in soggy soil, it's happy. It's a perfect choice for people who want a fuss-free plant with charm. Fun fact: the baby rubber plant is often used in terrariums due to its compact growth and tolerance for low humidity. It also has a mild air purifying effect, just like its larger cousins. If you're craving something taller and a bit more architectural, the parlor palm is a fantastic pick. It brings a gentle, tropical aesthetic and is incredibly easy to care for. It tolerates low light, doesn't demand much in terms of watering, and best of all, it's safe for your pets. I used to catch Luna napping in the sunlight next to ours, totally content and curl under the fronds like it was her own little private oasis. The ponytail palm is another plant that's a bit of a misnomer. It's not technically a palm, but it definitely looks the part.
Well done, Mama.
It has a thick, bulbous base that stores water and long, curly leaves that arch like a fountain. This makes it super drought tolerant and ideal for plant parents who forget to water every now and then. Best of all, it's entirely non-toxic, even if your pets find the leaves too tempting to ignore. Did you know that swollen base is called a caudex, and it's where the plant stores water, allowing it to go weeks without being watered. It's a desert dweller in disguise. For a splash of color and patterns, look no further than the Fittonia, also known as the nerve plant. Its leaves are veined with bright pinks, whites, or reds, making it a stunning little accent plant. Fittonias are safe for pets and thrive in humid conditions, which makes them perfect for terrariums or cozy windowsills. Fun fact: when a Fittonia is thirsty, it dramatically wilts, but don't panic. A quick drink and it usually perks up within an hour. A little drama queen, but harmless. Rounding out the list is the Boston fern. This classic, bushy plant is a lush, timeless favorite. It's non-toxic, it loves moisture, and thrives in indirect light. It works wonderfully in kitchens and bathrooms, where humidity is naturally higher. It's also a great hanging plant or shelf filler when you want to soften a space with texture and movement. It's a true staple in the pet-friendly houseplant world. Plant trivia: Boston ferns are one of NASA's top-ranked plants for air purification. They're especially good at removing formaldehyde and xylene, making them a breath of fresh air in more ways than one. And there you have it, folks, 10 low-maintenance, pet-friendly plants that can thrive in your home without putting your furry companions at risk. Every plant on this list is beautiful, easy to care for, and safe. A perfect balance for every household that's full of life, both leafy and furry. This video, our 100th, is dedicated to Luna, my companion, my quiet co-star, and the inspiration for so much of the heart behind this channel. She brought light and calm to my days, and I hope this video brings some of that to you. Thank you for being here. Whether you've watched all 100 videos or you just stumble upon this one, your support, your comments, and your love for plants is what keeps this community going. Here's to the next 100 videos, and for homes that feel full, alive, and safe for everyone in them. Cheers. If you've got a favorite from today's list or a story about your own plant-loving pets, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting this mission, you can consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video, or check out one of the links that are down there and you can access exclusive content and perks. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video.